Okay, bro. So, just left-hand concepts, and there's new chords on the top of your page: E or E major, and E minor or E M. Any of those little M's mean minor. If you want to write D minor to somebody, you'd write an uppercase D and a lowercase M. We learned these chords because they are prominent shapes that get played in first position down here, aka open chords, but because they translate to bar chords, where, if you use the wrong fingers, like I'm doing right now, pretending I didn't have a first finger, to play those same two chord shapes, and then moved it up the neck and barred behind it, you'd be essentially making the instrument start here and be playing a major chord or a minor chord. It's really important that your thumb be in classical position for that, not up higher. Generally speaking, we talked about strategy for playing power chords, where by having our thumb in classical position versus up, either way, muting the other strings with this part of our first finger so that we can strum liberally. And if you want to try any of the palm muted stuff from the tutorial video you were watching, go for it. But so maybe stop your video and go over those shapes we were just discussing. Just try moving around bar chords, and while we're at it, the chorus goes. It's like. And that's the same thing as going C, D, and these are C and D power chords. So we're going to be going down, down, up, on E minor. And then that would have been our bailout strum. And we're going down, down, up, down, down, up. And as always, I'm trusting you to do this using the process that I intend for you to, where you learn the chord change, and then you'll just be going. Excuse me. Until you get good at that, and so on. Then I'll be working on just stop, reset, think about what you're doing. The whole key is to be consciously focused on what you're doing, not slip into the guessing headspace. But either way, there's us. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And the same thing with G instead of E minor. So there you go. And with your bar chords, as always, you notice that they all start with the 2 to 3 notes from the bar chords, so they're like an abbreviated power chord. It's like an abbreviated bar chord.